Hey loves, it's Claudia and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to film this makeup video this evening. Why? I asked the universe for some Fenty and I was patient and I let the universe do what it does, and my niece said, Auntie, I have some makeup I want to share with you. I thought, what? Thank you, Jenny. Muchas gracias para mi maquillaje, mi sobrina hermosa Jenny. Muchas gracias, te aprecio mucho y te amo. I had to do a Fenty and Morphe face. So, these are the Fenty Match Stix. There are 4 of them. They are in caramel, wheat, and rum. And this one, it doesn't have a label. It came off, so I don't know what this one is. I know it's not any of the others because it is a shade lighter. And I am going to be using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. But these I will use at another time. I saw Fenty Beauty advertisement on the Fenty channel where the makeup artist was using the Match Stix to do the foundation base. And I thought, wow, he used nothing but Match Stix for the color, for the contour, for the concealer. And although I'm not sure if I have anything dark enough to contour, but we'll see. I am going to start with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. So, let's get this popping. It feels so creamy, silky, oh, and it goes on so beautifully on the skin. I did my brows off camera. I think these are the best brows I have seen in a long time. Now, the Match Stix. These are the Match Stix. And let's take these tops off to see which I can use as a base. Let's see, this is caramel on the right here, and this is wheat on the left. Caramel is darker than the wheat, so I will put the caramel on the side for my foundation choice. And ooh, look at this, look at this. This is rum, and this one is the no-name one that the bottom came off, so it's light enough. Let me see. Oh, I love the way they latch onto one another. Can't lose them, can you? I will use the rum to, since it's the darkest, I'll use that to contour. And I will use the, let's see, I'm going to use this caramel as a base and the wheat as a base, and I will conceal with this lightest color. I never thought of using the Match Stix as foundation. I thought maybe highlight, perhaps concealer, but not foundation until I saw it done on Fenty's channel. An experiment for sure. That's dang near blotting it all off my face. So what I'm going to do is go in with this MAC Mineralize SkinFinish Natural to go over that. I'm using wheat for the concealer. Maybe I can use a little, just a little more of the wheat. For the eyes, I could carry on with the Match Stix, but I am going to use Morphe for the eyes. And I'm looking for a bronzy dark effect. So ooh, I love the richness of the Morphe palette. I'm going to pull that out over here to the edges. I love putting the tape on it, but I just didn't do that today. We'll pull that up. So that's the terracotta. I'm going to use brunette to contour, and then I will put polished on the lid. With my GLMR Glamour concealer brush that I'm going to use to put the foundation, the color on my lid. And I am going with this color, Polished, Morphe's Polished. So, I'm going to wet this brush. Saturated, saturated, polished. Wow. That is super pretty. Never used polished before. Okay, Morphe, we're doing this. Woo, my lashes are super long. Now for a little bit more of the rum matchstick, except this time I'm going to use it as a highlight. I really thought it was brown, more brown than this. But I like it. Here's what it is. I am going to use Lip Shine. This is NK's Makeup Lip Gloss in Dawn. It's A66. It's so pretty. And before I put that lip gloss on, I'm going to use NK's Creme lipstick with vitamin E in the number 103, Mellow Buff. And this is the final look. I really love Rihanna's Match Stix. If I had had the darker to the lighter, I could have played around more with the contour color and the concealers, the flesh tones, and maybe I could have made it work a little bit more. I might use the rum as the whole foundation like I did in the last video, but in this one, I mixed it, so. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. See you in the next video. Besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Kisses and hugs to everyone. Bye.